Keychron has officially launched the K3HE and K3 Ultra, wireless magnetic and mechanical keyboards that feature wireless connectivity, PBT keycaps, an aluminum frame, and rosewood accents. But now the Peripherals brand has officially released the new gaming keyboards via Kickstarter, divulging more specifications and revealing the official launch pricing in the process. The Kickstarter campaign has also revealed prospective retail pricing. The K3HE is expected to launch at around $110, while the K3 Ultra is set to launch at an MSRP of $120. If those prices are accurate, Keychron will be able to compete with popular low-profile Hall effect and mechanical keyboards, like the new Fi Air 75HE. Keychron has officially revealed several specifications we did not yet know about the K3HE and K3 Ultra. Notably, the K3HE will have a significantly shorter battery life than its Ultra counterpart. Just 55 hours compared to over 500 hours in Keychron's lab testing. The primary reason for this is the ultra-efficient ZMK firmware in the K3 Ultra. It's also been revealed that the Keychron K3HE's ultra-fast Lime low-profile switches will have 2.9 mm of travel, which is shorter than the 3.1 mm of the Milk POM switches found in the K3 Ultra, but not by much. Keychron has also confirmed that both keyboards will have ample noise-damping materials in the case, which should help shape the sound profile of the tray mount designs. As with many Keychron keyboards, the K3 series will ship with screwdrivers to disassemble and experiment with the case foams, and even do modifications to alter the sound and typing feel. When it comes to the K3HE's customization features, Keychron says that it will offer adjustable actuation distance with a sensitivity of 0.1 mm and a minimum actuation distance of 0.2 mm. It will also feature rapid trigger, SOCD, analog input, and DKS, as well as the typical macro recording functionality found in other programmable Keychron keyboards. Keychron also confirmed that the low-profile ultra-fast Lime switches will have an actuation force similar to that of the existing Gateron double-rail magnetic nebula switches, instead of the lightweight full-height ultra-fast magnetic Lime switches. And that's all for today. Drop your thoughts in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next video.